proximitat, i l'altre que és com un projecte que acaba sent doncs, una petita empresa que neix d'un espai de coworking. Ja està. Sí.
Molt bé, i en darrer terme, doncs, intervindrà i es presentarà la Dafne Xarberiat, fundadora de l'Espai SMAC de Marsella, que ens ha portat una presentació en la que ens exposarà el seu projecte i el potencial del coworking com a eina de dinamització de territoris.
Okay. Does it work? Yeah. So thanks for inviting the little sister from Marseille to Barcelona. I am 100% sure that co-working philosophy will save the world. Yeah, let's say save the world. I mean, I come from Marseille. In Marseille, we exaggerate everything. So, but it's great to be here and to discuss about synergy and collaborative things. So I'm going to share with you my own experience. So I'm the founder and the happiness manager of SMAC Co-working, a co-working in Marseille. So as I don't have a click, I will do like this to change the slide. Okay. So this is our spirit, let's say. You asked me to talk about territorial anchorage and to explain how co-working mix the population, people who are looking for a job, students, big companies, small company. I'm going to just explain you how it works here at SMAC Co-working in Marseille. So what we do at SMAC Co-working, we have like a community. We have like 150 co-workers from different areas. We have like photographers, coach, the people from developing things on the internet, communication, lawyer, searcher, old people, tall, big, fat, black, white. Everybody come in this co-working space. So you can work for sure. You can also rent a meeting room. You can have a coaching. And it's really the specialty of our co-working space. I mean, the happiness manager are here to welcome you, to explain you how it works, and to connect people to each other. And it's really, really, really important to have someone who gave the energy to the space, so that the people, they are not by themselves in our beautiful space. But if you are not connecting or if you are shy, we do, for example, it's like a joke, but it's really helpful. We do like goûter. I don't know how to say, like a coffee break at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So the first time we say, oh, I'm going to do a break every day. Okay, we offer the coffee time. And the happiness manager is here to talk to everybody and say, okay, how can I help you? Are you looking for I don't know, like a bank or a lawyer or a new opportunity? And has the happiness manager knows everybody on the co-working space, a member of the co-working space. So here it is. We have a beautiful rooftop, meeting rooms. Okay, so key figures. So as I say, we have 150 co-workers. We welcome 1,000 people starting from January. Many companies come in the co-working space as to rent a room or to be coach. Because now it's really surprising, because 2 years ago when I opened this co-working space, we are just like a couple of freelance friends, and we say, why don't we share a Wi-Fi office printer and a meeting room? It's going to be like cheaper and more synergy and more motivation. And then the big company has, I don't know, like Airbus or SNCF or EDF. They come to our space to have the energy, to have the creative spirit. And at first, they ask us just to present our concept. And then they are coming and they are asking us to lead the meeting and to coach the manager on how to manage with positive and optimist and collaborative spirit. So we have one workshop per week. The workshop could be, I don't know, how to improve my social media strategy, or how be better in commercial things. We have like 25 afterworks per year. So for sure, like apéro, it's the best way to connect people to each other. We have 5 exhibitions per year also. That means that the co-working space is a gallery, and you can have photographers, art designers that show their work. And during the summer, we have like residence. I don't know how to say in English. That means that the artists, they stay during 2-3 weeks in the co-working space, and they prepare the exhibition. Voilà, 5,000 hours of meeting, a lot of coffee for sure. That's it. So what is important for us? It's to inspire. Very inspiration. It's the leitmotif of I think any co-working space. So we are in Marseille. We are in a beautiful city, and more and more people come from Paris, Lyon, and United States. I'm gonna show you afterwards. Marseille is really attractive, as Barcelona is attractive also. I think we have the same kind of city, and we plan to be at the level of Barcelona in maybe 5 years. We love to connect people, for sure, but we really like all the people, like student, company. For example, the company, when they come to our office, they will be coached by the coworkers. So we try to mix all the time the population and coaching. As I told you, we always here to make the project be real. Yeah, I think that the co-working definition is it's a hard part of the conference, because as I start like 2 years ago, it was only office, Wi-Fi, and freelancer, and now in 2019, it's mostly office meeting, but it's also a restaurant, a coach, entrepreneurial programs. And we plan to open like two new building in the Marseille area, in the Provence area next year. So it's going fast. It's and maybe I don't know. Maybe we have to innovate and create something else next year, because we are adapting to the market. Okay, so we are really present everywhere in the social media. We keep on talking, presenting what we do, and we are really in real life. And I think it's a good balance between those two is really important, because, for example, we have a lot of coworkers based in Paris and in Marseille. So half of the week they are in Paris and half of the week they are in Marseille. So that's why we have our own social network, digital social network. So even if you are not based in Marseille, you can follow the afterworks, the program, and you can share what you are doing. Yes. Okay, what is really fundamental is that we are human central value, but I'm thinking, when I heard we all are focused on human, and also collaborative work and innovation. We keep on, that's why I'm here also today, and I would like to share your experience, because we keep on innovating and try to find new approach to coach or to mix people together. Thanks. Okay, so at first, SMAC community, it's freelancer, teleworker. Like we have a lot of big company. They don't have any offices, or they want to launch their business in Marseille or in Provence, and they take some seat in our co-working space. In our network, we have educational system. So here, for example, we have a school named IDRAC. They don't have any office and building in Marseille, but their students, they have half time in Marseille in our building and the other part in a company. You know, it's an exchange program. So 1 week per month, the students are here in the co-working space, so they can share with entrepreneur like me and me. I am the teacher also for marketing digital. So we mix all the population all the time, and so it's really powerful because as soon as they have to do like study research, they can do it with real co-workers working on their project at the next floor and at the next door. We work also with other co-working space in France, because as soon as you are a member of SMAC, you can go at in Paris, Lyon, Nantes, Rennes, and 10 cities, because we are partner of L'Accordé. L'Accordé, it's another big, huge co-working space in France. And also the people from L'Accordé, when if they work in Paris, they can come in Marseille in our office for the same price, and then they don't have to pay a membership one more time. And we share our network. We share our digital social network also. That means that if I am in a huge project and I need in Nantes or in Paris a project manager, I will post online something to say, okay, I'm looking for this kind of profile. Do you want to work with me? And the connection goes very fast with this kind of tools. So we are really, really linked to the entrepreneurial ecosystem. They come once a month to do like pitch party with startups that present their project. Yeah, we try to work with them closely because it's also our co-workers. Yeah. So I mean, I think there is connection everywhere. I mean, between co-workers and co-workers, they work together and they make business together. We did a study last year. They make like at least 7,000 euros by the link of co-workers. Co-workers work with entrepreneurial ecosystem, as I told you. We work also with institutions, with big companies, with medium companies also, with other co-working space, and with education system. I really think that co-working spirit or philosophy is for everybody. I mean, there is no one who cannot go in a co-working space. Last week, a co-worker from SMAC worked on a biotech project. So he's working with his team on a laboratory, like doing research with like glass and things like this. And he told me, why don't you want to create a co-working space for searcher? Because like it's too expensive to buy like the machine for cleaning the stuff. So maybe, and we have the money actually, but we would be much more quicker and faster to share between I don't know, like 4 or 5 startups in biotech. So I'm thinking about it also, but it's not really my area, the research, but why not? Thanks. Yeah, so as I told you, like education system, we have also a lot of training students from college and lycée. They come for 1 week to 6 months, and we have like so much work to give it to them that they are really happy and they are not like copying all the time. They do like really the job, and they can also interview people from different companies to know the, like I had a student, Clarisse. I think we are on live on Facebook, so no, on YouTube. So hi, Clarisse. She stayed in our company during 6 months, And she, at first, she didn't know exactly what she wanted to do afterwards. And I told her, do an interview, go. You have like 150 person that I can explain what kind of job they do. And now she's fixed. And she's going to stay, I think, at Smack Working. Okay, so this is for the education system. Yeah. For the co-working space, I told you that we work with L'Accordé, we work with The Camp. The Camp, like, it's a huge innovating program in Marseille, Aix-en-Provence. It's going to happen in September, and they do their meeting in our building, and we will try to coach and to do like something with them next year. Big company, yeah, big company. So at first they came for renting a room with a kind of spirit, because we have a room like for design thinking. They can write on the wall, they can do like interactive meetings. And now they ask us to come also to their place to coach the human resource, or to try to work on the ergonomic part of the cafeteria or whatever. And voilà. And the last slide. Thank you for following me and supporting my English. It's awful. What is a village of coworkers? I'm sure, like with co-working philosophy, everything goes so fast. And I figure out here the coworker from abroad who come to Marseille, and they come to Marseille because it's Marseille and because we have a great way of life, and it's a city that is changing, but also because there is co-working space. And as for example, Alexis, she's coming from Seattle, and she wants to live in Marseille. She's a journalist, and she said, "Okay, I'm going to integrate a co-working space because I will connect to people faster, find a job, find friends, opportunities." So it's very great to see all the people mixing together with the co-working space, because I don't think that Patrick from Mauritius Island will never connect to Alexis if there is no co-working space. So I'm really 100% sure that co-working is the future. I mean, it's now, but it's also in the future. And I think it's maybe one list. Okay, well, our secret, it's, as I told you, events after works. You have to do like you have to invite your community to connect to each other. So you have to create after works, lunch. Okay, you have to have an happiness manager or an office manager or whatever, but someone who try to connect people to each other, and is really in charge of motivating people. So here our specialty is that we have one happiness manager per day. So we have Marie-Laure on Monday, Clarisse on Thursday, and we share time for co-working for free. I mean, they can work for free in our co-working space during 1 month, and they have the happiness manager one per week during 1 month. So that's a good deal, because as they are part of the communities, they know how to sell and to welcome the people, and it's great for us also because we have like motivation. What is important? It's online social network, as I told you. And the last point is kindness and positive and optimist. And that's it. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Daphne. Gràcies per ser tan didàctica i alhora perquè ens has fet una mica també de